Hello everyone. Today, we will show you how to speed up your internet connection by adjusting the prioritization and interrupt delay settings on your PC. So first, open your device manager. You can do this by pressing the Windows plus X keys and selecting the device manager from the list. Now scroll down to find the network adapters and click on the drop-down arrow to reveal your network devices. Right-click on your current network adapter and select Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to the Advanced tab, and here you will find a list of settings that can improve your network performance. Look for settings such as Receive Side Scaling or Interrupt Moderation Rate. Change these settings by selecting the highest performance options or disabling the interrupt delays. You might need to experiment with these values to see the best performance of your system. Now click OK to save the changes and restart your computer to apply the new network settings. And that is how you can speed up your internet connection with prioritization and interrupt delays settings on your PC. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.